Hello friends, in this video I will be showing you how to intubate a patient who is a COVID suspect or is a confirmed case. Since we know that intubation is a highly aerosol generating procedure, all attempts should be made to minimize the spread of aerosols. Use of traditional bag mask ventilation, use of non-invasive ventilation or high flow nasal cannula will lead to generation of aerosols and should be avoided as far as possible. For this patient, we have filled up the lungs of this patient by 100% oxygen by placing a simple face mask with 6 liters of oxygen for 5 minutes so as to increase the apnea time. Alternatively, a simple nasal cannula can be used, which can also be used for oxygen flow even during the laryngoscopy and intubation procedure. Patient is injected with an inducing agent and a rapid acting paralytic agent such as rocuronium or succinylcholine is given to the patient to prevent coughing or bucking during laryngoscopy and intubation, and also to minimize the apnea time, since we are not going to do bag mask ventilation or to avoid it as far as possible. The face of the patient and hands of the intubating person are covered by a clean transparent plastic sheet which shall not hinder the vision, as well as also to trap the aerosol which are generated during the procedure. If you need to use bag mask ventilation, such as in cases of severe hypoxemia, at least use antiviral filters between face mask and the bag you are using, be it lardal bag or ambu bag, and cover whole of it with transparent plastic sheet. As you can see, the intubation attempt is being done by the person who is intubating, and whole of the area is covered with a transparent sheet. The patient has not been ventilated by bag mask, and the patient has tolerated whole of the apnea time well. After intubation, patient is connected to the ventilator with antiviral filter, and bag mask ventilation is again not done even after intubation. Don't do it without any antiviral filter, otherwise it will spread the aerosols.